All right. How about finance? I know we talked about taxes. What finance apps do you recommend?
Well, probably a lot of looking at how everything's going right now, a lot of people are getting into cryptocurrency. So one of the apps I guess I could recommend would be the Coinbase app. Coinbase actually just had their IPO maybe like 2 weeks ago or so too on the stock market. Has like a easy to navigate user interface and a pretty wide spectrum of crypto that it allows you to invest in. And it gives bonuses for people, small bonuses for recommending new people to join up. The fees are not too bad on Coinbase as well. And I would recommend people to at least try to, test the market out. Definitely, crypto's going through a surge right now.
Right.
So a lot more people are getting interested in it, either through Coinbase or another app I use called Robinhood.
Of course.
And Robinhood is probably even cheaper. There's literally no fees on Robinhood for trading or for investing in crypto. It just has less crypto listed in Coinbase. And there's also a little, some other controversy with Robinhood.
But here we need to be very transparent and tell the audience that we're not financial advisors. We're not recommending anyone to go and invest blindly on any of these investment apps. Do your homework before you press that buy button, never invest more than you can lose. And don't buy on margin, and just be very, very careful, because we've heard stories and we've read the news, and tragedies can happen. So we both encourage anyone who's listening right now to be very prudent, right?
Be very careful. Yeah, be very careful in your research with this. I mean, because even today, I looked at the market on Dogecoin, again, another popular coin that people are investing in. It probably crashed like last night. At least for me, it went down maybe over 50% of its value in like one night. It was over maybe almost 70 cents yesterday, and today is at 40 cents. So
there's a loss,
significant amount of value in one day. And again, this is something that a lot of people have been pressing on and paying a lot of money into. So just to reiterate the point that you kind of need to do your research. And for some of this stuff, no amount of research is going to help. Like, honestly, some crypto is pretty much a gamble.
Yeah.
You could do your research and you'll still probably, good chance you'll still lose money.
Usually investing is a long-term game. Unless you're gambling, you should invest long-term, and that's a bit safer than, buy today, sell tomorrow. Although it's so exciting, and I also do it, and we talked about it. People may just do your homework and be very, very careful.